Hello everyone, welcome to Edufy India. I request you all to kindly subscribe the channel and click on bell icon to get notified about new videos. My name is Himanshi Sharma. I hope all of you are doing good and are safe at your home. Today we will see fourth and the last part of this story, The Giving Tree. This story is given in class 4 English book Marigold. In this video, we will see complete NCERT exercise, that is word building, let's talk, let's write and let's read exercises. So let's get started. Word building exercise. Question number 1 is make new words and complete the sentences. Here some sentences are given to us. We have to fill in the blanks with the help of hints given in the bracket. First one is the children love to sing dash and the hint is loud. So the answer will be loudly. The children love to sing loudly. B part is read your lesson dash and the hint is silent. So the answer will be silently. Read your lesson silently. C. Throw the ball dash. Hint is slow. Answer is slowly. Throw the ball slowly. D. The tree gave its fruit to the boy dash and the hint is happy. Answer will be happily. The tree gave its fruit to the boy happily. Do your work dash and the hint is neat. Answer will be neatly. Do your work neatly. Question number 2 is filling the blanks with the correct word. Here a passage is given to us with some blanks. We have to choose the singular or plural noun. Let's read the passage. My mother went to the market and bought a kilogram of dash, a dozen dash and a dozen dash. Now here quantity is more than one. So we will choose the plural forms. So the answer will be my mother went to the market and bought a kilogram of apples, a dozen bananas and a dozen oranges. I love oranges, so I ate an dash. Now since he ate only one, so we will choose the singular form. So the answer will be so I ate an orange. My brother wanted a dash and my sister asked for an dash. Now here A and N signifies only one. So we will choose singular form. So the answer will be my brother wanted a banana and my sister asked for an apple. A tree has one dash but many dash. Now here one signifies singular and many signifies plural. So the answer will be a tree has one trunk and many branches. Next one is a dash has a number of dash and dash. Now here A shows singular and number of means many, that is plural. So the answer will be a branch has a number of leaves and flowers. Let's talk. Question number 1 is why should we not cut trees? Answer is we should not cut trees because first, trees give us fruits, flowers, leaves, bark, branches, wood, roots, edibles and shelter, etc. Second, they also purify the air and increase the beauty of the landscape. Friends, there are many benefits of having trees around us, so you can add some more points here according to your choice. Question number 2 is, at the end of the play, only the stump of the tree is left. Find out if it will grow again into a tree. So the answer is, some trees can grow back again, however some won't. It depends on the kind of tree, the age and other conditions. Let's write. Question number 1 is, write these sentences in the correct order. Also, choose the right word from the box and add it before each sentence. Remember to put a comma after it. For example, finally, comma, dash. So friends, here some sentences are given to us. We have to arrange them in correct sequence according to the story. We have to add correct word before each sentence. Here are the words. Let's arrange them sequentially. So the answer will be, first, the tree gave its apple to the boy. After that, it gave him its branches to make a house. Then, it gave him its trunk to make a boat. Finally, it asked him to sit on the stump. Question number 2 is, work in a group and decide the things that you can do to help your grandparents or any old person. Now write 5 of these things that you will do. Friends, grandparents are a blessing in the lives of children. We should always help them and take care of them. Here you can write your own sentences that how you help your grandparents or any old person. So the answer of this question can be, following are the things that we can do to help our grandparents or any old person. Always talk politely with your grandparents. Help them with household chores. Play board games with them. Go for a walk with them in the evening. Always make them smile by spending time with them. Let's read. Chinta Chetu. Chinta Chetu is a tamarind tree. This famous tamarind tree is in Gwalior. It grows over Tansen's tomb. Tansen was a great singer. People in Gwalior say, eat the leaves of this tamarind tree and you will also sing like Tansen. Now, choose the right words. Hints are given in the bracket. First sentence is, Chinta Chetu is a tamarind dash. Is it tree or a leaf? So the correct answer is tree. Chinta Chetu is a tamarind tree. This famous tree is in Guntur or Gwalior. So the correct answer is Gwalior. This famous tree is in Gwalior. Tansen was a famous singer or dancer. Correct answer is singer. Tansen was a famous singer. The tamarind tree grows over Tansen's house or tomb. So the correct answer is tomb. The tamarind tree grows over Tansen's tomb. Eat the leaves of the tamarind tree and you will also sing like Tansen or Akbar. So the correct answer is Tansen. Eat the leaves of the tamarind tree and you will also sing like Tansen. So that's all about today's video, friend. What we have learned from this story is, don't take advantage of others and don't allow yourself to be used. If you find this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. And don't forget to subscribe the channel to get notified about the new videos. Thank you for your love and blessings. Keep supporting like this. Thank you.